Hi, welcome to the sixth and the last session of the 30 in 90 days online course. This step is the last step of the 5-step formula, but the most important step, I would say. The first 4 steps will have no meaning if you do not have a marketing strategy planned for every month before you start implementing whatever is taught in this course. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the process of creating a month-wise marketing plan for your preschool. The whole idea of making a marketing plan is to identify the below objective. Number 1, how much to spend on marketing. Number 2, on what marketing activities to spend. And number 3, when to spend. I'll repeat. How much to spend on marketing, on what marketing activities to spend, and when to spend. Thus, at the end of this session and after making a marketing plan, you will have clarity on all the above 3 questions. There are 7 components of a monthly marketing plan, and they are: Number 1, number of marketing activities to be conducted. Number 2, date on which these activities are to be conducted. Number 3, name of the marketing activity. Number 4, number of days this activity will go on for. Number 5, cost of execution. Number 6, cost of promotion. And number 7, the total cost. Now let me take you to my screen and show you one of the marketing plan templates I have created. You can download this template from the below link at the end of this session and build your own marketing plan. So let me take you to my laptop screen. Okay, so here's the marketing plan template that I have created. Let's assume that the first activity that you plan to do is going to start from 1st of August. Okay, and the marketing plan, the marketing activity that you have planned is a Facebook paid campaign for free PDF download. Okay, now number of days or units. So in this case, we will be doing this ad for a number of 15 days. Okay, so let's put in 15 here. Now, cost of execution, okay, is going to be 0 here. Okay, only cost that we'll incur is the cost of promotion. Okay, because we'll be doing a paid ad, so we'll be doing a 500 rupees per day ad. So the cost of promotion for a 15 days ad is going to be 7,500. Okay, now let's say after these 15 days, you again plan another marketing activity which starts from the 15th of August to 15th of August, and this particular marketing activity is going to be a Google search ad for a free online parenting session workshop. Okay, now again the number of units here would be 15. So I'm assuming that the parenting workshop that you plan to conduct is going to be on the 1st of September. Okay, and that's the reason we are doing a 15 days Google search ad prior to that, from 15th of August till 30th of August. Again, the cost of execution here specifically for the paid campaign is going to be 0, but the cost of promotion is again going to be 7,500, as we are going to consider 500 rupees per day budget. Okay, so now these are the two activities which are planned for the first month. Okay, depending on the results of these activities, you can accordingly plan the activities for the next 2 months. Okay, so for the month 2 and month 3, and ultimately you will have a total cost, okay, for each month here, and in the end, after the 3 months, you will have or the total marketing amount that you plan to spend, okay, in the next 3 months. So this is how you fill up the marketing template, okay, and plan out activities for the next 3 months, or at least for the next 1 month, and accordingly at the end of before the next month begins, you have the plan for the next month ready. Okay, so that way you will have clarity on how much you plan to spend in the next month, and accordingly you can prepare for the marketing activity that needs to be done. Okay, great. So download this marketing template, fill up the details, okay, plan out your marketing activities for the next 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and then click a screenshot of the sheet and put it in the comment section below. Okay, I would personally review this marketing plan of yours, and if required, I can get in touch with you on a one-to-one basis and guide you in terms of how you can improve the marketing plan. So let me take you now back to the online session. I hope you now have clarity on how to build a marketing plan on a month-on-month basis. What I want you to do is create your monthly marketing plan for the next 90 days, that is, for the next 3 months. Click a screenshot of the same and upload it in the comment section below. I would love to see it and review it personally. I am sure you are now clear with all the steps of the 5-step formula and are excited to start implementing them in your preschool business. If you have any doubts or queries, you can write to me on ask@preschoolcoach.in and I'll be happy to resolve them. I also want you to share a review about this course in the review section of this course. Thank you so much and best of luck.